Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm a science teacher, and we're going to be talking about one of my favorite subjects in science, weathering, erosion, and deposition. It's very simple. Weathering is very simple. Weathering is just the breaking down of bigger rocks to smaller rocks called sediments. Erosion, let me get my little pointer here. So that's what erosion is, the movement of those sediments, and deposition, finally, is where the rocks stop moving. So, hold on 1 second. Sorry. So, anyways, that's that. So, weathering can happen with a lot of things. Weathering can happen with water, ice, and wind. Basically, that's how the Grand Canyon was formed. It was formed by weathering. Basically, a giant river was flowing through there, and basically it weathered away all those rocks and then turned them into sediments, and then erosion carried them away somewhere else, and deposition right here settled them somewhere else. So it's very simple. So that's an example. So hold on. Alrighty, just make the board look a little fancier. So that's weathering, erosion, and deposition. That's what the terms are. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, hold on 1 second. Alright. So now, guys, get a piece. Now, if you're still in school and you're just learning about this, please get a piece of paper and a pencil out. Or pen. I don't really care. And then you're gonna write weathering, erosion, and deposition at the top of that page. Then you're going to put down dang it, what was I gonna say? Sorry, 1 second, guys. So basically what you want to do is write down on the side, write down weathering with this little colon, erosion, again with the colon, and of course deposition with a colon. And basically, let's write down the definitions. So just give me 1 second. Weathering. Just follow along with me. The process of breaking rocks two small bits called sediments. Sediments is spelled S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-S. Sediments. You can put a period at the end, you don't have to, but these are just definitions and the note. These are just notes. Let's say the definition. So pause the video real quick if you don't have this down entirely, so just read this and get it down. Okay, once you have that, we're going to write the definition of erosion. And that is the process of moving sediments from point A to point B. Pause the video if you don't already have that down, and I'll give you 1 second. Okay, now we've got deposition. Now deposition is, it's not really a process, well, it kind of is. Just 1 second, guys. Alright, so deposition, the process in which sediments settle in one place after erosion. Okay, so pause the video, quickly get all this down, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, now we're going to take notes on erosion and deposition. So at the bottom of your page, well, wherever you are on your page, under these definitions, create a line. Then split that into 3 parts, and then make another line right here. Okay, now we're gonna write down weathering, erosion, and deposition. Alright, so you should have that down. I'll give you a second. Okay, so once you have this down, so we're going to take notes on weather. So weathering. Weathering, now for the first bullet point, make bullet points. The first bullet point, we're gonna say, takes a long time. And then we're also going to do erosion and deposition takes a long time. Takes a long time. And then deposition. All right. I should have takes a long time on weathering, erosion, and deposition. So once you have that down, we're going to take another note. So weathering, we're gonna now, yes, I am kneeling. We're gonna say happens from wind, water, and ice. Happens from wind, water, and ice. Erosion happens from wind and water. Well, all of them actually. Happens from wind, water, and ice. Happens from wind, water, and ice. Okay. Then deposition, I think we'll just stop there for now. Thank you guys so much for joining me in part 1. Yes, there's going to be a part 2 of weather, erosion, and deposition. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more lessons, and peace out.